Hello everyone. Our lesson for today is solving problems involving system of linear inequalities in two variables. I'm Sir Chris, Head Teacher 3, Pedro T. Orata National High School. Ganito lang yan. Kapag sinabi nating linear inequalities in two variables x and y, ito ay pwedeng isulat sa iba't ibang anyo. Una, ax plus by is less than c. Pangalawa, ax plus by is greater than c. Pangatlo, ax plus by is less than or equal to c. And then, pang-apat, ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Ayan. Pero bago yan, review muna natin yung lesson natin last time. So kapag may inequality tayo na ax plus by greater than or equal to c, una, draw the graph ng ax plus by equals c, tapos gawin natin itong dotted or dash if it is strictly an inequality. Diba? Yung wala yung equal to. Next, the coordinates of points doon sa linya na yon, yung x and y na point natin, at saka yung mga points lang na nandoon sa linya, ang pwedeng mag-satisfy or gagawin niyang true yung ax plus by equals c natin kapag ipinalit natin yung mga coordinates na yan. Next, para malaman natin kung ano sa dalawang region na yon ang merong mga points na nagsasatisfy sa ating inequality, kumuha tayo ng kahit na anong convenient point, tapos ipalit natin sa coordinates ng inequality. Kapag yung inequality na yan is nasatisfy or naging true, lahat ng points sa buong region na yon ay sinasatisfy yung inequality na yan, tapos yung region na yon ang ating kukulayan. Now, tingnan nyo ito. So makikita nyo tatlong region. So kapag ang inequality ay naisulat as y is less than or y is greater than, lahat ng points sa boundary line ay hindi solution sa inequality. Ang magiging linya mo ay putol-putol or dash, kagaya nito. Kapag ang inequality ay naisulat as y is less than or y is less than or equal to, lahat ng points na nasa ibaba ng boundary line na yan ay solution sa inequality. Itong nakulayan na ito na medyo light green. So lahat po yan ay solution ng ating inequality. Ayan. Kapag ang inequality naman ay naisulat as y is less than or equal to or y is greater than or equal to, yung mga points sa boundary line, itong line na ito, ay solution sa inequality. So magiging solid yung ating line. Kapag ang inequality is isinulat natin as y is greater than or y is greater than or equal to, lahat ng points sa taas ng ating boundary line yan, lahat po dito ay solution ng inequality. Maliwanag. Halimbawa, i-graph natin ang mga inequality na ito. So una, magkahiwalay, tapos later on, i-graph natin siya sa iisang coordinate axis. So we have a 2x minus 3y is greater than 6, b is x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. So ito yung ating solution. So gaya ng ginawa natin dati, maglalagay tayo ng arbitrary values ni x, yung gusto natin na ilagay, tapos isosolve natin yung value ni y. So halimbawa, si x ay 0, So, si 2x minus 3y greater than 6, papalitan natin yung x ng 0. So, 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 6. So, negative 3y is equal to 6. So, i-multiply natin yung magkabilang side ng negative 1/3 or i-divide natin siya ng negative 3. So, negative 3y times negative 1/3 equals 6 times negative 1/3 y equals ito, negative 2. If x is equal to 6, ayun naman. So again, 2x minus 3y equals 6. Papalitan natin si x ng 6. So 2 times 6 minus 3y equals 6. So 12 minus 3y equals 6. So mag-a-add tayo ng negative 12 sa magkabilang side para ma-iwan lang or ma-isolate itong negative 3y. So negative 3y equals 6 minus 12. Ayan. So, ang naiwan na lang is negative 3y equals negative 6. Tapos, yung buong equation na negative 3y equals negative 6 is i-divide natin ng negative 3 or i-multiply ng negative 1/3. Kaya, ang naging resulta ay y equals 2. Ayan. Hindi na natin isosolve yung iba since alam naman natin sa definition ng 2 points determine a line. So, pwede na natin gamitin si 0, negative 2, at saka si 6, positive 2, para sa ating graph. So, ito yung graph ng 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. So, strictly inequality, kaya hindi kasali itong mga dashed lines. Pero yung mga points na nandito, kapag ipinalit natin ay pwede. So, ayun yung ating 6, positive 2, and then, nandito naman yung ating ayan, 0, negative 2. So, ito rin yung ating 3, 0, ito, and then yung isang point natin ay ito. So, si negative 3, ayan, at saka si negative 4. Now, etong point na ito, so let's say, positive 3, negative 2, ayan, kapag ipinalit natin, para malaman natin kung ito nga ba ang kukulayan, so halimbawa si x ay 3, si y ay negative 2, so ipalit natin, 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. 2 times 3 minus 3 times our negative 2 is greater than 6. So 6 minus negative 6 is greater than 6. So negative times negative is positive. Kaya 6 plus 6 is greater than 6. 12 is greater than 6. So our inequality is true. Next one. Ano ang graph ni x is greater than or equal to 3? So ito po yun. So ito yung graph ng x is greater than or equal to 3. Ito po yung point natin na 3. 0. Ayan. So, lahat ng points, kasama itong mga points na nasa line na ito, kapag ipinalit natin yan, will make our inequality true. Now, i-graph naman natin silang dalawa para malaman natin kung ano ang mga magiging solution ng system of linear equation natin. So, ito yung graph ni 2x minus 3y greater than 6. And then, ito naman yung graph ni x is greater than or equal to 3. So, nasaan yung solution ng system of linear equations inequality natin? Ito po yun. Ayan. Etong, makikita nyo yung ating kulay violet. Yung region kung saan nag-overlap yung ating dalawang graph. So, lahat po ng nandito ay solution ng 2x minus 3y is greater than 6 at saka x is greater than or equal to 3. Another example. Solve the given system of linear inequality below, then graph. So we have 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6, x plus y minus 2 is greater than 0. So, halimbawa, si x ay 0, dito sa ating 2x plus y is less than 6, si y ay equal to 6. Kapag si x ay 1, si y ay magiging 6 minus 2, y is equal to 4. Kung si x ay 2, 2 times 2 plus y equals 6, y equals 6 minus 4, y equals 2. So, mag-construct tayo ng table of values. So, si x ay 0, si y ay 6. Si x ay 1, si y ay 4. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung solution ni x plus y minus 2 is greater than 0. Kung si x ay 0, si y ay positive 2. Dahil mag-a-add tayo ng positive 2 sa magkabilang side ng equation. Kapag si x ay 1, so 1 plus y minus 2 equals 0. Again, we add negative or positive 1 on both sides of the equation, kaya y equals 1. Kapag si x ay 2, 2 plus y minus 2 equals 0, kaya si y ay 0. So, ayan po yung ating mga arbitrary values for x. So, mag-construct tayo ngayon ng table of values. So, ayan siya. 0 si x, 2 si y. 1 si x, 1 si y. Pag 2 si x, naging 0 si y. Kapag 3 si x, naging negative 1 si y. So, we can try kahit na po anong values para makahanap ng value ng y, and then saka natin i-connect yung 2 points, meron na tayong graph. So, yung graph po ng system ay eto. So, itong medyo blue ay graph ni 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. Itong isa naman is graph ng x plus y minus 2 is greater than 0. And then, itong region na ito kung saan nag-overlap yung ating dalawang graph for these two inequalities is ito po siya. So, ito yung 6, 3 kanina na point, which is the solution to this graph. And then, we have here negative 6 and positive 2 as solution to 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. And then, we have here negative 2 and 6. Wherein, kapag ipapalit po natin, di ba, pag chinek natin yung ating dalawang equation na 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6, x plus y minus greater than 0. So, ito try natin yung negative 6 at saka positive 2 sa dalawang yan. So, negative 10 is less than 6 kapag pinalitan natin ng negative 6 si x, true. Kapag pinalitan natin ng 2 si x plus y minus is greater than 0, so negative 6 plus 2 minus 2 is greater than 0, negative 6 is not greater than 0, so it is false. Ngayon, itry natin si 6 at saka si 3. Yung solution kanina nung isa nating graph. Ayan. So, 2x plus y is less than 6. 2 times 6 plus 3 is less than 6. 12 plus 3 is less than or equal to 6. 15 is less than or equal to 6. So, which is false. Kapag ipinalit natin yung coordinates na 6 at saka 3 kay x plus y minus 2 is greater than 0, 6 plus 3 minus 2 is greater than 0. So, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is greater than 0. 7 is greater than 0. So, it's true. So, since true yung isa, false yung isa, dito false yung isa, true yung isa, hindi siya solution ng ating system of inequality. Ngayon, kunin natin yung negative 2, positive 6 dun sa area na nag-overlap yung ating dalawang graph at ipalit natin dyan. So, 2x plus y is less than 6. 2 times negative 2 plus 6 is less than or equal to 6. Negative 4 plus 6 is less than or equal to 6. 2 is less than or equal to 6. So, it's true. Kapag ipinalit natin naman itong negative 2 positive 6 sa x plus y minus 2, greater than 0, negative 2 plus 6 minus 2 is greater than 0, negative 4 plus 6 greater than 0. So, negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2, which is greater than 0. So, it's true. So, parehong true, meaning, itong coordinate na ito, negative 2 and 6, is a solution to our system. So, going back to the graph of the system, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6, at saka x plus y minus 2 is greater than 0. So, ito po yun kanina. Ayan. So, ito yung sinubukan natin, negative 6 at saka 2, at saka itong 6 at saka 3, and then, ito yung negative 2, positive 6, which made our system true. Ayan. Thank you. Till next time.